Mother's questions, baby's answers. Wild animals. Content: elephant, panda, lion, mandrill, leopard, bear, cheetah, wild dog, Tasmanian devil, serval. Introduction. Kids are very curious by nature. When they come across a new thing, a number of questions strike their tender mind, and they come up with a variety of questions. In the modern age of technological advancements, kids know about several things through television, computer, and books. However, they require a source which may provide them to the point information. The present book in your hands is a sincere effort from our part to bring illustrated questions and their answers on wild animals. Each page of the book has questions and answers. We expect that the book will prove to be of immense help for them. What is this? This is an elephant. It is a mammal. Where does an elephant live? It lives in a forest. What does an elephant eat? It eats roots, grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. Elephant. What is an elephant's baby called? Its baby is called a calf. Amazing fact! The elephant is the largest land animal. It can live as long as 70 years. What does an elephant look like? It has 4 pillar-like legs, 2 small eyes, 2 big ears, 2 tusks, a long trunk, and a tail. What is this? This is a panda. It looks like a bear. Where does a panda live? It lives in evergreen forests. Amazing fact! A panda has black and white patches on its body. Panda. What does a panda eat? It eats bamboo. What does a panda look like? It has 4 legs, a short tail, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a nose. What is a panda's baby called? Its baby is called a cub. What is this? This is a lion. It is the largest cat. Amazing fact! A lion lives for about 15 years. It roams in groups called prides. It can grow up to 6 feet long. What does a lion look like? It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, a rope-like tail, and a mane around its neck. Lion. What is a lion's baby called? Its baby is called a cub. What does a lion eat? A lion hunts other animals and eats meat. Where does a lion live? It lives in a cave. What is this? This is a mandrill. It is the biggest monkey. What does a mandrill's baby look like? A newborn mandrill is furry and less than 1 kilogram in weight. What does a mandrill eat? It eats plants, insects, and small animals like lizards and snakes. Mandrill. What does a mandrill look like? It has 4 legs, a tail, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a nose. Amazing fact! It is very colorful and noisy. It lives on land but sleeps on trees. Where does a mandrill live? It lives in forests. What is this? This is a leopard. It is a wild cat. What does a leopard eat? It eats meat. What does a leopard look like? It has 4 legs, 2 bright eyes, and black spots on its body. Leopard. What is a leopard's baby called? Its baby is called a cub. Where does a leopard live? It lives in forests. Amazing fact! It runs very fast and can swim as well. It climbs trees and hides its food there. What is this? This is a bear. It is a furry mammal. What does a bear look like? It looks gray. It has furry coat over its body. What does a bear eat? It eats plants, leaves, fruits, berries, nuts, roots, honey, and small mammals. Bear. What does a bear's baby called? What is a bear's baby called? Its baby is called a cub. Where does a bear live? It lives in forests, mountains, and grasslands. Amazing fact! It has very powerful claws. It generally sleeps during winter. What is this? This is a cheetah. It is a wild cat. Where does a cheetah live? It lives in semi-desert area in the forest. Amazing fact! It is the fastest land animal. It is a shy animal and can live for about 8 years. Cheetah. What does a cheetah eat? It eats meat. What does a cheetah look like? Its body is light yellow or orange in color. It has spots on its back but no spots underside. What is a cheetah's baby called? Its child is called a cub. What is this? This is a wild dog. It is a swift hunting dog. Where does a wild dog live? It lives in forests. Amazing fact. A wild dog generally hunts other animals. It hunts with other dogs in a pack. Wild dog. What is a wild dog's baby called? Its baby is called a pup. What does a wild dog eat? It eats meat. What does a wild dog look like? It has 4 legs, a long bushy tail, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a nose. What is this? This is a Tasmanian devil. It is a marsupial. Where does a Tasmanian devil live? It lives in a burrow or in a hollow log. What is a Tasmanian devil baby called? Its baby is called a joey. Tasmanian devil. What does a Tasmanian devil eat? It eats meat. Amazing fact. It has a pouch in which it raises its child. It's most active at night. In daytime, it goes into its burrow. What does a Tasmanian devil look like? It has long whiskers on its face. Its fur is usually black. Its forelegs are slightly longer than its hind legs. What is this? This is a serval. It is a wild cat. Where does a serval live? It lives in forests, plains, deserts, and shrubby areas. What does a serval devil look like? It is yellow in color and has black spots all over its body. Serval. What is a serval's baby called? Its baby is called a kitten. Amazing fact. It can run very fast and can climb trees. It is an opportunistic predator and hunts bigger animals than itself. What does a serval eat? It eats meat.